Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to take a look at how we go about formatting a volume using the newest Microsoft Windows file system called Resilient File System, or ReFS. So the Resilient File System is Microsoft's newest file system designed to maximize data availability, scale efficiently to large data sets across diverse workloads, and provide data integrity by means of resiliency to corruption. It seeks to address an expanding set of storage scenarios and establish a foundation for future innovations. So the idea of using Resilient File System, or ReFS, is so that you can recover data from that volume. Now, a couple of caveats. One is you can only format volumes with ReFS. You cannot touch an actual hard drive and format the entire drive with it. Another caveat is that once the drive becomes 50% capacity, the ReFS may start to get a little flaky and might start having issues. So a couple of things you need to be aware of. So let's go up inside of our computer management, and up inside of computer management, let's go to disk management, and let's go ahead and let's grab some of this space up inside of my C drive, and let's create a new volume. So I'm going to go ahead and right click here, and we're going to shrink this volume, and let's just go ahead and grab 15,000 megabytes or 15 gigabytes, and we're going to shrink this existing volume down just by 15 gigs. So the first thing we're going to have to do is prepare this new 15 gigabyte volume to be formatted using ReFS. So I'm going to right click on it, and we're going to create a new simple volume. We're going to click next, and we're going to go ahead and accept the default size. Click next. We're going to go ahead and give it a drive letter of E. That's fine. Go ahead and click next. Now from here you can select how you want the drive to be formatted. So where it says file system, I can pull this down and I can select ReFS. I can also give it a name, so let's just call it ReFS. And we can do a quick format. We'll go ahead and click next, and we'll click finish. Now another thing you have to be aware of is that you cannot shrink an existing ReFS volume. So if I right click on here, yes, you'll see the option that allows you to shrink the volume, but when you try, it's going to pull up an error message saying that the volume cannot be shrunk because the file system does not support it. Go ahead and click OK to that. So if you need to build in redundancy and resiliency with your volumes and the data that is stored on that volume, then ReFS might be an option for you. But it may not be the only option, because if the data gets corrupted badly enough, no matter what you have it stored on, you may not be able to recover it. Now most of the time ReF will also recover data online, but if the recovery or the corruption is bad enough, then ReF will take the volume offline and attempt to recover it. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about formatting a volume using ReFS. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was shown to you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.